Hi! I'm gonna teach you how to make a more or less realistic looking heart with polymer clay. So, what do you need? Well, you only need red polymer clay. It's pretty simple. Well, and some tools preferably, but we'll get back to that. If you want a bigger heart, just use more clay. The sky's the limit. Or your wallet, if you're super poor like me. Just be sure to save some clay for later, cause we are gonna need it. What I am doing now is making sort of a drop-like shape, I guess. And just keep at it till you're happy with your shape. And here comes the first tool thingy. It's like this silicone tool thing. So yeah, just do that thing I'm doing till it looks good. Or sorta good. Smooth out the edges. And another silicone tool. I'm basically using it to shape my heart further. Right now you'll have something that looks more like a classical heart shape rather than a realistic one. Told you we'd need more clay. And saving this for later. Just make this flat and round. We're gonna stick it onto our heart, cause apparently hearts have these weird looking things on them. I don't really know. I'm pressing it down to make sure it sticks. Now grab that extra clay and cut like 4 pieces or something. Roll them all into sausages, preferably different lengths, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I don't know how to describe this process, just watch what I'm doing. If it ended up like this, you did it right. Good job. Another tool. So this is actually a dentist tool. I stole it from a school I went to a couple of years ago because it's great when working with clay. I don't regret it. Just press the tube thing down so it stays on. Now we want a long tube that's gonna go over the one already on the heart. Personally, I'm following a reference picture, but I guess you could place and make the tubes as you personally wanna make and place them. Third and last tube. This one by far turned out best. Roll super thin sausages this time. They're gonna go around the bottom of the tubes. All the way around and drag down. Then we repeat that with the other tubes. Just do the exact same thing. I'm making tiny holes in the tubes. You don't have to, but I think it looks better, so you should do it. And now to the veins. Use a knife and just go nuts. I didn't film the entire process because but don't forget both sides. What I'm doing now is just some texturing. I don't really know what this part is, so I'm just going nuts with the texturing and making it a bit flatter. Before you burn it, you should think about what you want to use it for. For example, mine will be made into a keychain, so I put in a head pin before I burned it. Next thing to do is sanding it down. I really do recommend not skipping this, because it does make a difference. And now onto the glass. I use this glass from Fimo. Just making it nice and glassy, really. And now I'm making it into a keychain. We're done! I really hope you enjoyed my very first tutorial on YouTube. Leave a like and a comment if you did, and also please subscribe if you like this sort of content. Bye!